What's up, guys? MX Guru here. Picked up one of these fly wallets. This is the gentleman's wallet. Just want to give you guys a close-up what it looked like. You can't tell that much about it in the catalog photos or on the website. So, if I can get it open here. This is a leather wallet. It is a black or a very, very super dark brown. Enough where you can't tell the difference. You got a texture up here on top. Feels pretty cool. Got the fly emblem here. Little fly racing on the back. It's a bifold. Where you get your sticker. They used to offer a bifold and a trifold, but I think they only have this leather one and a nylon one now. But of course you've got 1, 2, 3 slots for your cards there. Couple slots over here. Of course, you've got your clear slot for your ID. You got your standard slots inside on each one, and then you've got your middle with the checkered look. As far as sizing, there it is beside a standard Sharpie. It's a little taller than some of my other wallets, but not so much that it's awkward or anything. So as you can see, it's almost a perfect square. But I've carried fly wallets. I've had almost every fly wallet since they started making them, and they've all been pretty durable. I've had no complaints about any of them. They have enough little motocross assemblage on here to where you seem like you're you know, if you whip this out, somebody who knows what fly is will definitely recognize it, and somebody that doesn't, it doesn't look all gaudy or anything, and you're still supporting the MX industry a little bit. So don't be afraid to pick up one of these guys. I think they're $29.99 retail, I believe. Awesome. Nice little piece. Thanks.